Okay guys, this is your math assignment for today, and you'll find it in your assignment list, but it's pages 535 and 536, okay? So this is 535, this is 536, and you should see some tables that look like that, okay? So we are going to answer some word problems based on these tables. Okay, so it says, at field day, David's mom will help with the relay races. How long will the relay races last? So this is the field day schedule. These are the events. What do we have? Relay races, lunch, baseball game, or basketball game, I think it is, and a swim party. They start, they finish, okay? So the first question was, if David's mom helps with the relay races, how long will it last? How long is it from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m.? Well, if you start at 11 in the morning and you go 1 hour, it's 12. If you go 2 hours, it's 1 in the afternoon, which would be 1 p.m. So what was the answer? 2 hours, and that's what they wrote. Okay, so we're going to use this table to answer 1, 2, and 3. So let's take a look. Angie will play in the basketball game. How long will the game last? So basketball game starts at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, ends at 3. How many trips around did we make? Only 1. So your answer is 1, and then write hour, because it's not 1 minute, 1 second, 1 day, 1 year, you know. Okay, so let's look at number 2. It says a lifeguard will work at the swim party. How long will he work? Well, the swim party starts at 3 p.m. We're there, and ends at 5. 1 trip around for 4, 2 trips around. 2 trips makes 2 hours. So 2, and then you have to add an S to 2 hours. Then it says, how much time will pass from the start of lunch to the end of the basketball game? So we're skipping here. We're going from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So it's 1 p.m. 1 trip around is 2. 2 trips around is 3. So once again, your answer is 2 hours, right? Did you see how they asked that question? From the start of lunch to the end, not the start of the basketball game, to the end, okay? So that was that page. Alrighty, let's look across at the other page, or flip your paper, actually. And you have, and I didn't write it up there, but it's an arts festival schedule. So an arts festival has these events: a sing-along, a puppet show, a concert, and a ballet. And it also shows you start and finish times. To make our life easier, for the last question, number 5, let's just record how many hours this is, okay? And then we'll answer that. So let's just record. From 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., how many hours is that? From 9 a.m. in the morning to 10. It was just 1. So just put a little 1 in front of that, okay? Now let's look at the puppet show. Started at 10 and it ended at 11. There's another 1 hour. The concert starts at 11 and it goes to 1. 1 trip to 12, 2 trips to 1. That makes 2 hours. Okay? And the ballet starts at 1, it doesn't end till 4. So we could either count like that or go 1 trip, 2 trips, 3 trips, right? So we have recorded our answers right there next to the table. Make it a little bit easier. So question number 1, Mrs. Murphy is planning songs for the sing-along. How much time will there be for singing songs? Sing-along, you want to write 1 hour there. Okay, we just saved ourselves some time. Number 2, Matt wants to go to the concert to hear his grandmother play the violin. How long will the concert last? Answer, 2 hours. Okay. Lauren helps with the lights during the ballet. How long does she help? 3 hours. 3 hours. Did I skip one? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're good. Number 4. Rico and his family will see the puppet show and the concert. How long will it take for them to see the puppet show and the concert? You put those together and you have 3 hours to see, to see both the puppet show and the concert. Now number 5, we're going to do a little more writing. Gwen has 4 hours she gets to spend at this festival. What events would she be able to attend in those 4 hours? She's got 4 hours. Well, she can attend that for 3 and that for 1. That equals 4. Or she can go to the concert, puppet show, and the sing-along, right? She might want to do the most. You decide. You can write puppet show and ballet, or you can write concert. That's what I'll do. Concert, comma, puppet show. So she can get her money's worth if it costs anything. And what do we say? Puppet, concert, 2, 3, 4, and sing along. Okay? Or she could go to the ballet and the sing-along or the puppet show. See how she can choose? Or she can go to the ballet and puppet show. So you decide. If it were you, would you want to do all 3, the concert, puppet show, and sing-along? Or would you want to do the ballet and sing-along? Or would you want to do the ballet and puppet show? It'd be a tough one. I would definitely want to see a puppet show. I like puppets. Okay, so that is the end of your math for now. And next on our agenda will be our language, okay? So I will see you then.